There's a beauty in the way you're warm, and the sharpness of your thorns, so vibrant in the imperfections. In the pain there's something real, all that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel, just let me hold that severed world. The pieces still so cold. All the tears won't bring it back to life. But hate will always grow. There's a beauty in the way you lay, and the way your color fades. You stand out now with your imperfections. Oh, it was never meant to fall apart. It was not supposed to cause us harm. But these days all I do is wonder, is about another we could start again. 'Cause in the pain there's something real, all that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel, just let me hold. Oh, that's severed world. The pieces still so cold. All the tears won't bring it back to life. But hate will always grow.
I'm feeling it, my bones telling me it's right. It's so different, but when you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette. And I'm burning at your lips, start so innocent. Then you kick it up and now I want to show you all what you deserve. And know we got so much to learn. And just like when we said I do, and it's only you that can do it like that. Yeah, yeah. I like it with you, I like it with you. I like it with you, in the sand that we'll dance. We ain't got no plans. You, I like it with you. Yeah. I like it with you, and the hours will melt all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains, taking up the touch and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries. Oh, I like it with you in it. And make me take a little look. Can we finish it? And then get busy getting back into the thick of it, yeah. Take a second, breathe it in. That again, I'm still understanding just how you do the magic.